Welcome to our video on Registered Retirement Savings Plans, or RRSPs. In this video, we'll take a comprehensive look at what RRSPs are, why they're important, and how to make the most of them. Retirement planning is a crucial aspect of financial planning, and RRSPs play a vital role in helping Canadians secure their financial future. But what exactly are RRSPs and how do they work? RRSPs are tax-sheltered savings plans designed to help Canadians save for retirement. Contributions made to RRSPs are tax-deductible, and the investment earnings grow tax-free until they are withdrawn. This makes RRSPs a powerful tool for retirement savings and can help maximize the amount of money you have available in retirement. Understanding RRSPs. To be eligible for an RRSP, individuals must be a resident of Canada and have earned income. They must also have a valid Social Insurance Number, SIN. There are several types of RRSPs available, including individual RRSPs, spousal RRSPs, group RRSPs, and self-directed RRSPs. Each type of RRSP has its own set of rules and benefits, and it is important to understand which type is best suited for an individual's needs. Contributing to an RRSP. Contributions to an RRSP can be made either through regular contributions, lump sum contributions, or a combination of both. Regular contributions can be made through payroll deductions, while lump sum contributions can be made directly to the RRSP account. There are limits to the amount that can be contributed to an RRSP each year. The contribution limit is determined by several factors, including income, previous RRSP contributions, and age. It is important to understand these limits and not exceed them, as there may be penalties for overcontributions. The deadline for contributing to an RRSP for a given year is typically the end of February of the following year. This provides individuals with the flexibility to contribute to their RRSP throughout the year, and make any necessary adjustments before the deadline. Contributing to an RRSP can help reduce taxable income, provide tax-deferred growth, and allow for potential tax deductions. Additionally, contributions can be withdrawn tax-free under certain circumstances, making RRSPs a valuable tool for saving for retirement. Withdrawing from an RRSP. RRSP withdrawals can be made at any time, although there may be consequences and penalties for early withdrawals. Generally, RRSPs are meant to be used for retirement purposes, and withdrawals made before age 71 are subject to taxes and penalties. There are several types of withdrawals that can be made from an RRSP, including partial withdrawals, full withdrawals, and home buyer's plan, HBP, withdrawals. Each type of withdrawal has its own set of rules and regulations, and it is important to understand the differences between them. Tax implications of withdrawals. Withdrawals from an RRSP are generally taxable, and the amount of taxes owed will depend on the individual's marginal tax rate. Additionally, there may be penalties for early withdrawals and restrictions on the amount that can be withdrawn. Repaying RRSP withdrawals. Some types of RRSP withdrawals, such as HBP withdrawals, can be repaid to the RRSP over a specified period of time. This can help minimize the tax implications of withdrawals and keep RRSPs intact for retirement. Before making an RRSP withdrawal, it is important to consider the short-term and long-term financial implications, as well as the impact on retirement savings. Individuals should also seek professional advice to determine the best course of action. Managing your RRSP portfolio. RRSPs can be invested in a variety of different assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. The choice of investment will depend on an individual's financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Diversification is an important aspect of managing an RRSP portfolio, as it helps reduce risk and increase returns over the long term. Individuals should consider a mix of different asset classes and investments within their RRSP portfolio. Regular review and rebalancing of an RRSP portfolio is essential to ensure that investments are aligned with financial goals and that portfolios remain diversified. Individuals may benefit from seeking professional advice when managing their RRSP portfolio, especially if they are inexperienced investors or have complex financial goals. A financial advisor can help develop a tailored investment strategy and provide guidance on making informed investment decisions. In addition to managing the investments within an RRSP portfolio, it is also important to regularly contribute to the RRSP to help ensure a secure financial future. Making regular contributions and taking advantage of employer matching programs can help maximize the benefits of RRSPs. So, to wrap up, RRSPs can be an incredibly useful tool for retirement planning, but it's important to understand how they work and how to get the most out of your RRSP. Consider contributing regularly, diversifying your investments, and seeking professional advice if needed. And most importantly, start planning for your retirement today so that you can make the most of your RRSP benefits. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in providing you with a better understanding of RRSPs. Until next time, take care.